Hello all, welcome to the second class of project report formatting. In our previous class, we have learned how to generate table of contents. Okay, now in this class, we will learn how to generate list of figures and list of tables. So this is figure 1. So what we are supposed to do for this, we have to select the figure, then we have to go on references. When you go to references, you have to click on insert caption. This is the place we have to insert the caption. We have selected it, we wanted it for the figure. We have to give the name, so the name is home automation system. We have given a name as home automation system. Then in this we have to select the numbering. We have to ask him to include chapter name. Okay. We'll say okay. So this is the way figure name will appear. So we have to remove this. We can change the font and everything of this from here as well. Automatic, you can whatever font you want, you can keep that font from there. Okay, so this is figure 1. We have to do exactly the same for the next figure. So this is figure 2. This is, there is no place actually to write the name, so we are reducing it a bit. Okay, now we have to follow the same process. Go to references, insert caption. Now this is what, this is the block diagram. You selected block diagram. See, we want it to be automatic. So this is the way we have to do it for the entire report. So this is unnecessary. Page break should be removed. And similarly for the other diagrams, we are supposed to do the same process. So this is a diagram which they haven't clubbed. So I suggest you not to make block diagrams like this. So if you are making any kind of diagrams, so you have to group them. So whenever you have a diagram, see what happens now. These are the things which will happen here. See, and your project report will look weird. So this is my request. Whenever you draw a block diagram, after drawing it, if you are drawing on Word file, it's okay, but you have to club that. So this is the next diagram. Pick microcontroller 1 at, I'll copy this. Okay, copy, references, insert, so the name has appeared here. So you are supposed to do with the entire report. Okay, and then wherever you want list of figures. Suppose we want list, after this we want here the list of figures. Okay, so let me insert a break here, insert page break, and here I'll insert the list of figures. So again I have to go to references, and then here what we are supposed to do, we have to insert the table of figures. Okay, table of contents, table of figures, like this. We'll say okay, so automatically with page number things will come. So why these dotted lines? Okay, I told you this is show and hide in your previous class. If you remove this, it will appear like this in your file. So if there is any modification like you did for that, you can also update the fields. Automatically you can update the page numbers or entire table. Okay, so we did it. We have named 3 figures in this. We could have named the 4th figure as well, and let me try with that as well. So this is the IC regulator. I'd copied it, we'll select it, we'll go to reference, then insert caption, and this will be the new caption. Okay, then I have to select this home, I have to make it automatic, this need to be removed, and this is quite, you can move this as well, huh? There is no problem. If you find it has become so close, okay, you can even put it on a center as well. Okay, so since I have changed, I can update the figure. I will select it, I'll go, I'll say update field, update entire table. So a new figure has come. Okay, so done with this. Thank you. Now our next session, we are done with list of figures. Now we want list of tables. Okay, so we have to, we'll insert a page break here. On next page we will insert the page break. Now since I added a page break, as you can see that this is 4, 7, 14, 15, and the beauty is that we can automatically, things will update by itself. Only the thing is, once you are you want to make a PDF file of your report, before making a PDF file you should modify these tables. So if you modify the tables, then there will not be any mistakes. Generally what happens now, when you have such kind of reports, matching a figure and the page number is always a difficult task in project report writing. So generally what happens now, in there are very less tables. This is one table. Okay, we have to select the table. Again the same kind of things, we have to go in list of, in references, and we want to insert the caption. So we will select the caption. Now this is not for a figure, but it is for a table. Similarly you can see that if you have equations, you can follow the same thing for equation as well. So it could be followed similarly. So we wanted to do it for the table, so we have selected a table. We want numbering, we want include chapter name, we have included, and the features of PIC 18F4520. So okay, this is the way we generally, what happens, the name of a figure comes below the figure and the name of a table comes above the table. Generally this is what is a regular practice. So, and there is no vertical lines, horizontal lines only we are considering. So see this table, vertical lines are hidden, only the horizontal lines has been shown. So this we want to appear in the center. We may have to change the style, we may have to make the style as automatic. Okay, and this is excess thing, we have removed it. And you can insert what the number of tables. If you have to follow the exact same process. Once you finished with that, you can go up and you can insert here list of, yes, correct. So we want here insert table of, so this is the way. Okay, we can modify this the way we want. Insert it, so automatically table, number of tables will come including a chapter number. Done with this. So if you do such kind of things, what happens? No, you can have a hyperlink. Automatically hyperlink has been generated. See this, if you keep it, control click to follow the link. So if you want to see the block diagram, where is a block diagram? See, the hand signal has come there. If you click on that, I have pressed a control and with mouse movement I can see. Okay, and the hyperlink is automatically created, and if I click on this, it will be directed to the block diagram. So this is the another advantage. The same thing will appear there if you generate a PDF file of this. So block diagram of home automation, if you want to go to this page, you can click it, you can directly go to that place. So this is a advantage which we can have with this. Thank you for listening.
Welcome.
All the best.